how to turn off recurring billing on Xbox Game Pass. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Xbox Game Pass so that you no longer get charged. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And you can actually do this on your Xbox. So if you're on your Xbox trying to do this, check the description because I have a separate tutorial for that. So to get started, open up a browser, and this can be on a computer, phone, anything like that. Navigate to Microsoft.com and then log into your account. So I'm going to do that by selecting sign in the top right. Once you get signed in, all we need to do is go up, select your little icon up here. It might have your initials in the top right, and then select view account. This will bring us to our account on Microsoft, and that's where we can cancel our subscriptions. So you might see a little subscription section down here, and you might see Game Pass. But if you don't, in the left menu, select subscription, and then just find Xbox Game Pass in the list of subscriptions that you have. So once you find it, just go to manage to the right of that, and then we can easily turn off recurring billing by selecting turn off right here. You can also cancel your subscription by selecting cancel subscription. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn off recurring billing. Once you see this screen right here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you have to confirm turn off recurring billing. And then once it says goodbye for now, scroll down, you'll see the last day that you can use Xbox Game Pass. And now that it says turn on recurring billing, we now know that we have successfully turned it off. You can go back to your subscriptions or just close this page. You have now turned off recurring billing and prevented yourself from being charged in the future. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.